Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a fluffy whole wheat pancake recipe for you. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make it. To a bowl, we're going to add some whole wheat pastry flour, some sugar, and some baking powder and salt. And then we're going to give that a whisk to mix it in really well. To that, we will add some water and some milk, and I'm using dairy-free milk, as well as some maple flavoring. And then we're going to mix that until the dry ingredients are well incorporated. A few lumps is okay though. Don't overmix it. And then we're going to take that and put the batter on a warm skillet. And here I'm using my electric skillet. Works great for this recipe and others, and I'll have a link to it on the blog if you're interested. And then we're going to cook them until they're bubbly on top. And once they're nice and bubbly on top, then we're going to give them a flip and cook them on the other side until they are golden brown. And now that they're done, we're going to take them and remove them, and we'll plate them up. Now, as you can see, these are nice and fluffy. It's got a good, they're not flat at all, and they're also nice and airy inside. And if you'd like the recipe, you can head over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com or click the link above. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.